Ops, wait lang, wag ka muna mag-scroll at syempre magbibigay muna tayo ng ating word of the day. At sagutin natin ang katanungan na to. Ang sabi dito, which of the following choices below best describe the completely innocent victim? Alin daw sa baba yung tumutukoy sa completely innocent victim natin under the types of victim according by Benjamin Mendelsohn. Ito po ay under sa ating criminology area. Under naman po to sa ating victimology na subject natin. Letter A, Iman became victim due to ignorance. Letter B, John, an infant, was killed by his mother. Letter C, Pedro, who is drug addict and died with disease. Or letter D, Carlos, killed by his battered wife. Now, saan ba sa pagpipili ang class ang tumutukoy sa atin dyan about sa completely innocent victim? Okay, tandaan natin class, pag completely innocent victim, ito yung mga victim that bears no responsibility. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga biktima talaga na pure, kumbaga they are unconscious kung ano yung nangyari o kung bakit sila naging biktima, hindi nila alam, kaya wala silang responsibility at all. Okay? Now, dito tayo class, pag sinabi kasi natin Iman became victim due to ignorance, that is considered an example of victim with minor guilt. Okay, for example natin, alam mo naman na maraming magnanakaw sa lugar na yan. Pinapalabas mo pa yung cellphone mo tapos nag-selfie ka, kaya nanakawan ka. Ang tawag doon, victim with minor guilt. That is called, considered yung alpha natin. And syempre, yung atin namang pong Charlie, Pedro, who is a drug addict and died with disease. Ito naman ay example nating class sa tinatawag nating victim guilty as offender. Kumbaga, biktima siya, pero yung kanyang capacity ay para din siyang offender. For example natin, yung mga suicide cases natin, example natin, ito, kumbaga ikaw ay isang drug addict, ikaw yung gumagamit ng droga, at later on, ikaw din ay yung nagkasakit. Bakit? Kasi nga, sabi natin, victim guilty as offender. Biktima ka, ikaw din yung offender. Kumbaga, voluntary victim. Kasi sa tuwing ikaw ay gumagamit ng droga, sino ba yung offender? Ikaw. Sino yung nagiging biktima? Ikaw pa din. Kasi yung, kumbaga, yung epekto nun, nandun din sa'yo. That is considered, yung Charlie is an example of victim guilty as offender or tinatawag nating voluntary victim. Now, yung ating Delta naman class, Carlos killed by his battered wife, that is an example of the most guilty victim. And that is considered, kumbaga, yung isang tao ay napatay dahil sa self-defense or kung ano man yung meron, gaya ng sa example natin, napatay si Carlos ng kanyang asawa kasi binubugbog niya yung asawa niya. Kaya napatay siya. Ang tawag doon, the most guilty victim natin. So the correct answer dito class, walang iba kundi itong John, an infant, was killed by his mother. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, basta completely innocent victim are those victim that bears no responsibility at all. It's because they are unconscious kung ano yung nangyayari sa paligid. And that is klaro naman kasi infant pa naman si John. So dahil dyan, the correct answer is bravo po natin. And sana nakatulong siya ito. At syempre, ito pa din ang inyong lingkod, your Mr. Word of the Day, Emmanuel de Master Suman, Villa Easter Veracruz sa CBRC, National Lecturer and Registered Community. Sabi sa inyo na para pumasa sa board examination, kailangan natin ng baso siya at tsamba. Baso siya, basta sulat ang share, sabi ng tsamba, tsaga, sipag at manalangin bawat araw. Thank you so much. God bless you all.